Hey my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, Ahamubu Ijoma, or you can call me Ijilove. I'm a Nigerian girl growing, learning and striving in the UK. So today's vlog is going to be a bit of everything. Every. So grab a drink and spend the day with us. On this hot summer day, we had to start the day with baby girl's hair because the sun was too hot and she didn't sleep well, so we had to make her hair ASAP. So yeah, it was a little bit of everything, just adding water, leave-in conditioner, oil, and then mama's magic finger. Yeah, wink wink. And we're able to achieve that, and yeah, we're good to go. So quick, cleaning and fixing up the place because nobody is leaving this. Nobody's leaving that mess and going anywhere. So while we're dressing up and getting ready, baby girl spilled my eyeliner. And pro tip, whenever you have a stain on your carpet, just use bleach. Test it first to know your kind of carpet. Use bleach and wipe it off with wet wipes and you're good to go. Now onto the dressing part, because it was so hot, we were wearing shorts, casual and the rest. And then it was a debate, a very big debate with a panel of judges on what to do with our hair. Should we wear wig or scarf, since we're not on braids? So after much debate, deliberation and all that, yes, the scarf team won, and we had to wear this scarf because it was quite breathable, it was easy, and there was nothing going to be touching my shoulder because with that weather that day, we did not have energy. So when we're getting ready, as usual, if you know you're going with a toddler, you have to pack a lot of tattoos and mottos, get drinks, get snacks, chocolate, whatever, because they can change it and switch it up for you any given time. So you have to come prepared and ready. Now taking off our stroller, make sure it's clean and all whatnot, pack lots of drinks because it was so hectic. Get extra diaper, but the only thing we forgot to get was extra clothes because later on in the day, I wish I got extra clothes so she would have gone into a water splash and play with the kids, but no worries, some other time she's going to do that. So Anya some kind of small shakara. You say let's also small shakara, for her glasses for us to match. Ooh. Because even in the UK with this cold, whenever we see a ray of sunshine, best believe we are outside. Yeah, we're gonna be outside. All our shorts were going to wear it. Yes. So checking ourselves out, checking us out, and I am for IJE Ebidogo, like my name implies, IJE Ebidogo. So the journey has started. So let's head out and have a great day. So let's be doing our shakara and be walking jejely while I read out the itinerary for the day for you. So first up, we're heading to the charity shop to drop off something, and we're still going to do window shopping. It's a sunny day. Summer is finally here, so yes, we're heading there to do some drop-offs, and then we might also do some pickups there, depending on what we see. And then I'm going to go pick up cups and plates for kiddies and toys, and maybe my serum. And yes, I have to go get wool for my braids. I have to go get wool for my braids. Ooh, this angle is fire. Yep, so let's go for this. Let's go get wool. So this is the first time I'm going to be making my hair with wool, so hopefully it turns out nice. Let's see how it goes. Kids, can you imagine this girl drops her glasses? Imagine.
Yay!
Just the goodie glasses that will open to match. Look at where she dropped it. Like, oh yeah. Let's put that in here. And head back to base. So let's go now. Picked up and ready to go. Hey mama. Hello. Hey hello. Hey my baby girl. Oh, finally wind. I love it. It's so hot. Shimo. This trekking is a bad idea. I think I'll usually enter bus. I will gently enter bus for the next stops because I can't do this. But the fact is that this is normal Nigerian weather. And now, a lot of us cannot stand the weather, like when it's this hot. We're shouting it's hot, it's hot. And wow, see, that's biology for you, how human beings adapt to different environments and different situations. Yep. After walking for a few seconds, I started regretting my life choices of deciding to take a walk, fit farm, who sent my mama. So I decided to stop for a quick water break, cold water, because that water literally saved my life. I felt like I was going to pass out. Makana smooth thing, madada. So I ain't a roller. We've gotten to the high street. So yes, we met them. It was Armed Forces Remembrance Day. So we just had to chill, watch, so it was fun, seeing something happening, seeing that crowd and a lot of people. So I was so happy that we're able to go out because I would have just been a couch potato and sulking and saying, oh, there's nothing to do and all whatnot. While activity full ground, I just say you never come out, you understand? So try and be stepping out. So here we are looking around, the water splash, the military tanks on display, and then this front part, there's this little tiny mini military trunk. So kids were there taking pictures, playing around, listening to the songs playing. And we just had to stay for a bit and enjoy that. So the next minute we went to listen to a song, watch it, so you can hear the beautiful Igwa Wula. So we're done with the song and that little part. So now it's my favorite part, window shopping. And most times when I go to charity shops and checking out shops, I love to check out frames because you'll be surprised at the beautiful pictures and frames you will see there. Now I'm sick, I'm happy with this girl. Like, let me allow her to walk around for a bit. And baby girl decided to run away from me. Why are you running away from me? I thought we're good. Eh? Why are you running away from me? Next minute she said she was going to work, and that is another that story for another day. Dragging her, dragging the stroller, trying to film for you, for my lovely ones. So now we went over to the Saturday market part of it. There are fruits, veggies on discounts, farmers market, fresh veggies, meat, and the rest. Now, because Auntie Adela used to mega charity shop, she's always used to entering charity shops. She decided to enter another one. Like, I know my mommy will enter, but no, we did not enter there. We had to move forward. We had to move forward. And car will see finish. Imagine, it's always your own people that will see you finish. So yes, but at the end of the day, we ended to another. We ended up in another charity shop. So she was not wrong per se, but just not that particular one. So here we got some tote bags. I saw these cute tote bags that can make like a really nice, gift bag for someone or for a family. And we decided to pick up some. Now onto the next location because after I almost passed out for that small waka with that hot sun, I decided to jejely enter bus. Eji and her and she this life. There's no award for suffer head, so I can't do that. So We went to pick up some braiding hair. I wasn't able to film that because somewhere he bomb short to put mirror man halfway. So we had to run and find our way back home. That is it though. And yet, when I got you were back to bus station because Shakara had finished. Because UK weather, before you know it, from hot to cold, he can't switch. So our hot summer day is over. It actually ended with rain. See how cloudy everywhere is. We were short, only for rain to beat us back. So yeah, we're done for today. See you in my next one, my love. Yes, so you're going to be seeing me back to back to back to back to back. Prepare to get sick of me. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let me go and eat food. Yeah, I'm so hungry. From a sunny day to a cloudy day. Yep. But we enjoyed it. So see you in my next one.